Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, I know. I'm going to show you how I went from natural black to burgundy. So here I'm using my water wave hair texture, and I'm going to dye that and straighten it. The color I'm using is Revlon Deep Burgundy, number 34. You will need 2 boxes of this. It's funny because on here, the hair looks kind of red, but trust me, it is not. So after I blow dry it, I'm gonna go ahead and start curling it and styling it. I'm going for the barrel curls. All right, when I tell you that these videos and pictures don't do my wig justice, the colors, I'm telling you, this color came out so